a healthy salad recipe and it's going to be packed with protein. You can make this salad in less than 5 minutes. We're going to start off with some romaine lettuce. And I'm just going to wash my romaine lettuce. Everybody, trim, I guess that's the core. I don't really care for the hard pieces. So let's get started. You want to watch out for that brown stuff. Yuck. But it's important to wash, guys. Quick salad recipe. Very satisfying. Easy lunch recipe. I do this pretty much every day for lunch. Alright, and then I'm just going to pat my lettuce dry. And then we're going to chop it up and put it in the bowl. Y'all see how simple that is? I'm just cutting up this romaine lettuce right now. I'm trying to be a little bit more health conscious. This is a great idea. Do this at home, save yourself a ton of money. You can do this the night before or you can do it in the morning, which is what I typically do. So there's the romaine lettuce. I like to go in with some lemon juice. Keep my salad fresh. Go with some crispy cucumbers. And you just rinse that baby off real good. Okay, slice her in half. You can add as much or as little as you like. It's up to your own preference there. Okay, next, let's do our boiled egg. 1 boiled egg. Next, we have avocado, guys. This is a half avocado. I do a half avocado. Take that seed out. Lemon juice on the avocado. That will keep the avocado from turning. All right, I have some Deli chicken breast and American cheese. And what I do is I typically take 2 slices of my chicken breast. Slice number 1, slice number 2. You take 1 slice of American cheese, 1 slice of American, fold it in half, and I put it on each chicken breast, and then I just roll. Can you all see that? And then we cut. Let me just put a little bit more lemon juice on my avocado. All right, cut. Roll the next piece. Pretty simple, right? I like to add a little black pepper. Last thing that I like to put on my salad, my easy recipe salad, my high protein, less than 5 minutes, strawberries. You just cut. 2 or 3 is usually what I do. And that's it. Romaine lettuce, 1 boiled egg, crispy cucumbers, deli chicken breast, American cheese, strawberries. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing. It's your girl Keitha T, Kietha space T. Y'all be blessed.